No matter what you are doing more with less is a mantra that I'm sure you have heard. And when you code web pages, that's a good way to go. In this video, we're going to learn one way of doing that with a good result. In the basic version of HTML, we learned one way to emphasize text was by bolding. One of the other things we learned to emphasize the font was to change the font size this way. You may recall that I also mentioned that the more code you used, the slower the page would load. And to that end, being code efficient was the helpful mindset. You can combine both the bold tag and the font size attribute by using the H tag, otherwise known as the header tag. And to this end, you have 6 choices, H1 through H6. Now in this case, you have to be careful because these tags can seem a little counterintuitive or backwards, as you will. Now this is because the larger the number is, the smaller the text actually becomes. So the smallest text you could get would be H6 and the largest would be H1. But in each and every case, the text will be bolded and it looks like this. Although there's a number of different things you can do to change the way this looks, let's stay with the basics for now. So keeping that in mind, the code to produce this outcome will look like this. These header tags can be used anywhere that you use text and are a great example of efficient text manipulation. And you can't get it much better than that. Although this video was short, the message, however, is very important. So if you still have any questions, go over it again